When you first go to set up your project, I would begin by creating a folder somewhere to save all of your work. I'm going to create a folder on my desktop right over here. To create a folder, I'm going to right click. In the menu, I'm going to come down and select New and then Folder. I'm going to name this folder the first couple letters of the book that I'm going to be reviewing. In this case, I'm going to do The Hobbit. And then I'm going to put my first name followed by the first letter of my last name. And then I'm going to hit enter. This is going to be where I save my project files, where I put images, things like that, just so that everything is in one place. If you wanted to put this in my documents, that's fine. I generally put stuff on my desktop when I'm working on it. That way I always see it. The second thing that you'll need to do is to open Windows Movie Maker, the program that you're going to be using to produce your video. To do this, go down to the lower left-hand corner, click on the Windows button. In the new window, begin typing Movie, and then Movie Maker is the first one that appears. If you type Windows Movie Maker, it might be further down this list. So I typically just begin typing Movie Maker. Click on it. The Movie Maker interface will eventually load. To save your project, and you ought to save it from the very outset, just in case anything crashes and you want to save your work. Come up to the upper left-hand side to File, and then choose Save Project. Right now, by default, this is saving into the folder that I want to save it into, but in case it doesn't, navigate over to the left-hand side, pick whether it's document or desktop or wherever you saved it. I'm going to say desktop, and then I'm going to double click the folder that I created, Hobbit Willie K. I'm going to save this project. Instead of naming it My Movie, I'm going to name it the exact same thing that I named the folder. That way, Miss Erica knows the book that I'm reviewing as well as the person that's doing this review. Finally, once I'm in the correct folder, I'm going to click Save.